So let's quickly recap what you have learned in this section. With reactive forms, we build our form explicitly in the code inside our component. So here we have a form object, which is actually a group. Inside this group, we have name, which is a form control. We have contact, which is a subgroup, and topics, which is a form array. Once we create these controls here, then in the template, we use a few directives to associate the controls we created in the component to the elements in this form. There are 3 directives that you need to remember. One is form group, which we apply using property binding syntax on the form element. And with this, we bind this form element to the form object we created in the component. The other directive is form control name, which we use like an attribute. And we use this to associate an input field with a control in our form. Now, if we have a subgroup in our form, we use form group name directive. So just like we have form control name, we also have form group name. And finally, if we have a form array in our form, we can use ng-for to iterate over all the controls in that array and render them on the form.